Good morning, children. Today we will continue with chapter number 2, Role of Government in Health. Till now, we have discussed about what is health, healthcare in India, public and private healthcare services. Now, we will discuss whether adequate healthcare is available to all Indians. In India, we see that lots of private services are increasing, but public services are not. Most of the private healthcare services are available in cities. In fact, now there are large companies that run hospitals and some are engaged in manufacturing and selling medicines. The cost of the private healthcare services are rather high. Medicines are expensive, many people cannot afford them, and sometimes they have to borrow money when there is illness in the family. Some private hospitals and clinics encourage wrong practices to earn more. For example, they are found to prescribe expensive medicines, injections, or saline for treatment when simple and cheaper medicines are sufficient to cure. Those who are poor, every illness in the family is a cause of great distress. The situation becomes more worse when it happens again and again. These families do not get enough food to eat. They are not provided with basic needs like food, drinking water, proper housing, clean surrounding, etc. And thus they are more likely to fall ill. The expenses on illness make their condition more miserable. Children, sometimes it is not money that prevents people from getting proper medical treatment. Women, for example, are not taken to a doctor on a regular basis. Women's health concerns are considered to be less important than the health of men in the family. Many tribal areas have few health centers and they do not run properly. The health situation of people of our country is not so good. It is the responsibility of the government to provide healthcare services to all its citizens, especially the poor. However, health is dependent both on basic needs and healthcare services. Hence, it is important to work on both in order to improve the health situation of our country. And this can be done. Look at the following examples. In 1996, the Kerala government made some major changes in the state. 40% of the entire state budget was given to the panchayats. They could plan according to their requirements. This made possible for the village to make sure that proper planning was done for water, food, women's development, and education. This meant that water supply schemes were checked, the working of school and Anganwadis was ensured, and specific problems of the village were taken up. Health centers were also improved. All this helped to improve the situation. Let us take another example. Costa Rica is considered to be one of the healthiest countries in South America. Several years ago, Costa Rica took a very important decision and decided not to have an army. This helped the Costa Rican government to spend the money on health, education, and other basic needs of the people. The Costa Rican government believes that a country has to be healthy for its development and pays a lot of attention to the health of its people. The Costa Rican government provides safe drinking water, sanitation, nutrition, and housing. Children, this is all for today. Question answer will be shared on WhatsApp group. Thank you.